It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2025 F-150 XLT in iconic silver. It has black sport cloth interior, and you have the black appearance package, so you're seeing the blacked out accents, which really gives it a nice look. And this has a 5.5-foot box. It's got seating for 5, and it also has a tailgate step and a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Well, stay tuned. We've got lots to show you, and we're going to take a look under the hood and inside and out. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. This is a 2.7-liter engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, carpeted mats on the floor, and there's your electronic parking brake, your high mount light and lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and auto stop start for less idle time. You have this nice running board and grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then you've got your lane keeping, cruise control, and volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. So any important messages, the odometer reading, the menu will come up, and it has sub-menus in it, so if you want to go through that, you can. And then up top, we've got a little cubby. We have our parking assistance. We've got the mini map on the side here. This will change as you choose different options. We're highlighted in audio, so we can touch on sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. Now, when we go into the navigation, you're going to notice this will change. We get the big map. You can choose your destination. We can go into settings, and then you have different options in there. You can change the look of the display screen and so forth. And then in your features, same thing, you've got access to other options like your owner's manual. And this is also where you're going to see your backup camera view. So here we are in space, and then you have your center line, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. That's just a protective cover. So let's put us back into park. We have our volume and tuner. And then this is the camera that gives us a view without being in gear, and just taking a look forward and seeing what's going on before we head out. So let's push that. Hazard lights, traction control, and then we've got the dual climate control, dual heated seats, the AC and max AC, as well as the front and rear defrost. Nice little cubby down below with USB-C and USB. And then we have our Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and our 4x4 with the rear locking differential and drive mode. So as we dial through drive mode, we're going to see it on the dash, and there's normal, and the icons will change. There's slippery, we're going to the right here, and you have off-road, and then we can go the other way, and we're going to go into tow haul, eco, and sport. So depending on the road conditions, weather conditions, what you're doing, you're towing or whatever is going on, you can change to different drive modes to get more or less traction or control. Now in the center here, we have our shifter, automatic shifter with select shift, and we can make it go down flat, gives us flat surface, a couple of cup holders, bring that back up, and our armrest just unclips, and we've got a nice little tray in here. We can take that out, lots of room down below. Oops, I'm gonna pop that in. And then off to the side, we have our 12-volt as well as a 120. And then we've got 2 glove compartments, lower one's locking, the other one releases from there. Grab handle in the body, auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder. You also have a power sliding window in the rear. That's what that's for. And you're all set to go. 18-inch wheels and the black centers. You've got the black out for the F-150 XLT, and that's because this vehicle has the black appearance package. You also have mud flaps, black running board, body color door handle with intelligent access. So when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. See that it says the 4x4 there, and on the back you've got your LED light to the right of the handle, and just above it is where your backup camera is located. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, and a trailer hitch. And when you want to open up that tailgate, you can double click your fob. So we're just going to do that right at the moment, and see it goes down very easily. Got tie downs in all 4 corners, and you also have an outlet located here. There's LED lighting as well, and you've got 2 measuring sticks. One's metric, the other's imperial. You've got clamps. You want to do a little work back here, you can. And then you've got a tailgate step. Just press in the center. That yellow button comes out and creates a handle for you, just making it easier to get in and out. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You just lift the seat and you'll notice you have more room on the floor. There's nice carpeted mats there. There's also all-weather mats. And then to bring it down, just pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You've got a couple of cup holders, USB-C outlets, air vents, and we have the 120. And you notice the ambient lighting, that's that little blue. That's there, so you can see it even in the dark. Grab a handle in the driver's side, and then you have your lighting and hooks up top, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Reverse camera in the rear, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back, windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.